Sliding on the snow in a shiny little sleigh. Through the frosty night, we laugh along the way. Snowflakes sparkle bright, twinkling in the sky. Singing songs of winter joy, our voices ringing high. Hey! Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear the sleigh bells play. What a time to laugh and sing on this winter day. Hey! Cold winds dance around, stars are shining too. Riding with my friends, the night feels bright and new. Children clap their hands, music fills the air. Every step of winter time brings joy we love to share. Hey! Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, happy songs we sing. Smiles and laughter everywhere, the joy that snow can bring. Icicles that shine, sparkling in a row, glittering like diamonds bright beneath the moon's soft glow. Snowmen standing tall, wearing hats of blue, buttons made of shiny coal and scarves so warm and new. Hey! Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear the sleigh bells play. What a time to laugh and sing on this winter day. Hey! Frost upon the glass, patterns crisp and clear. Winter paints a masterpiece that comes but once a year. Candles burning bright, shining through the night. Families gather close to share the season's light. Hey! Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, voices join as one. Songs of cheer and happiness until the day is done. Hey!
For more learning, please like, share, and subscribe.